Have you ever wanted to take a screenshot from your PC to make either a demonstration or just to keep records, but you didn't know how to? So in this video, we are going to learn how to take screenshots from Windows 10 and Windows 11. You can use one of the methods that we are going to see here in Windows 7 and Windows 8.1. This should be a very quick video. The first method is using shortcuts. So long as your keyboard has print screen somewhere, maybe in one of the keys, then you're good to go. The only thing that you need to do is to hit on Fn, that's function key, then Windows, and then print screen, and you'll have the screenshot of the entire screen. It so happened that my keyboard has print screen in my shift. If you want to see your screenshots, you go to picture, then you'll see screenshots, which is right here, and then you can navigate to your screenshot. I have a million of them, so let me sort by date. And the good thing is it saves the screenshot as a PNG, so even if you edit, you're not going to lose the quality. So you have that. This is the screenshot I have. Actually there were two. The downside with that method is you can't take a portion of the screen, so literally you'll have to take the screenshot and then go edit if you want maybe to crop to a certain portion of the screen. This is where now our second method comes in. It's called a Snipping Tool. If you want to open Snipping Tool, you press on Windows and then you search for Snipping Tool. Hit on OK, and now it has a tiny interface here. So the Snipping Tool comes with Windows. Once you install Windows, you'll have it by default. So before you click on New, first thing is you select your snipping mode, and you have 4 of them. You can snip a rectangular mode, window mode, full screen mode, or freeform. So freeform is where you want maybe to put an irregular shape around something and then you take a screenshot of that area. So if you select the rectangle mode and then click on new, then you can take a rectangular shape of any part of your screen, be it a browser or any point, so long as it's your screen. So this is the shortcuts: Windows, Shift and S to start the Snipping Tool. So I prefer taking rectangular mode, so I'll just click on that one and then hit on new. So right now I can decide to take, for example, a screenshot of this region here, and sure, we have now the screenshot. We can decide to edit, maybe put something there. You want to highlight, maybe you are sending an instruction to someone and you want to tell them where to focus on, then you can do that here. You can decide to delete maybe some of the markings you've done. You can use a pencil, maybe you want to mess with the image here and there. You can undo, you can redo, you can crop. You can use a ruler to know exactly the size of your image, and you can decide to zoom in or out. You can share, you can decide to copy, but I want to save it. I'll just uncheck my ruler and then save it. So the same goes for all the other methods. So basically that's how you take a screenshot from a Windows PC.